Shakas! Hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here with entry number 26. This entry comes from my girl Tree, who is Craft On here on YouTube. I will put her link in my description box below so you can go check her out and show her some love. Okay, so I already opened it, kind of. If you saw, well, you might not see that video yet. It might be coming after this video. Anyway, let's get into her entry. Oh my goodness, look at how freaking cute. Holy crapness. Oh my goodness, look at how freaking cute. OMG. It's a teacup saucer, and it goes around the Memorydex. Guys, do you see it? Do you see it? Going around the Memorydex. How freaking adorable is this? Yeah, if you guys don't know Tree, which I don't know why you don't, but don't you want to go over to her channel and go check her out right now? Because look at, oh my goodness, I just love your Memorydex card, Tree. Thank you. It is freaking amazing. She always blows my mind. Like, she's just like so crafty. I kid you not. So let's see. She is Tree here on YouTube. I mean, she's Craft On here on YouTube. And on Instagram, she's Tree Craft On. She is from California. Her favorite treat is dark chocolate. Her favorite holiday is Christmas. And her favorite colors are pink, white, and gold. Check this out. She's like printed her information on the back of the Memorydex card. Dang, she is freaking good. Look at how cute that little corner cluster is. Aww, Tree, thank you so much. I just love this Memorydex card. Let me show you something else she made me before too. She made me this before, and it's like those diagrams that has the 4 little scenes. But yeah, how cute is this? And I display this on my shelf. So cute, right? She's so good. Thank you so much, Tree. Thank you to all my subbies who are participating in my 400 subbie challenge giveaway. I appreciate all of you. I thank you for your support and love to my channel, and for your comments and your likes, and that you do subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until the next video, shakas.